Just got to the South Kaibab trailhead and it is packed with people. So this is basically where we're going to end it for the day. This is 8 miles. We're going to wait for the shuttle and then take the shuttle back to Grand Canyon Village, pick up my resupply box, get some food, and then we are going to stay the night here and get up in the morning and start doing our rim to rim and get over to the North Rim. Good morning. Got up this morning. All the clouds and rain that were over the canyon yesterday definitely cleared up, and now Breakpoint and I are out at the bus stop waiting to get a shuttle to the South Kaibab trailhead. And people are giving me the thumbs up. That was really awkward. So we are about to get down to the South Kaibab and then do a rim to rim. This is going to be my 4th rim to rim. 4th? Yeah, I think 4th. So pretty exciting to be back down in the canyon. Definitely love that canyon. Definitely excited to be back.
Dude, I can't find my wallet.
Just got to the North Rim, and there's a little bit of snow. Haven't really been talking much today because I just kind of wanted to zone out and enjoy the canyon and let you guys experience the canyon as well. So no commentary today, just views, just the trail. Ran into this fella, Snacks, and yeah, we've been told that there is a bathroom that is heated up here on the North Rim. So it might be another night of sleeping next to a toilet and snuggling with some toilet paper. So gonna wait on Breakpoint for a minute, see if he catches up, and then drudge through some of this snow to find the spot. But for the 4th time doing a rim to rim, this has probably been one of the best. I got up here and it's not dark, which is such a change of pace for me because it's always dark when I get to the top of the rim after one of these hikes. So pretty jacked to be here.
After an overly warm night in the bathroom, actually, it's too warm. Warm's good. Too warm where you're sweating and sleeping, not so good. Got up, having breakfast outside of this ranger station, this like administration office over here on the North Rim, and gonna start a 40 to 42 mile road walk.
Apparently the trail is still technically shut down from here to Jacob Lake.
Snow is still completely socked the trail in, super deep. So it looks like we are taking the road all the way to Jacob Lake. So yeah, that'll be fun. And I think that the plan is to kind of go down to the trailhead right where the Arizona Trail meets back up right around Jacob Lake and camp for the night. So after that, there's only 27 miles to the end of the trail, to the monument. The original plan was to finish on Saturday. It is Thursday today. Is it Thursday? It's Thursday. Thursday today. But with only 27 miles and most of it downhill to the monument, we might be finishing tomorrow. So we might be finishing a day earlier than what we thought we were going to be doing. So up in the air, who knows? We'll see what today brings. But as far as footage, as far as what I'm filming today, it's probably going to be pretty boring. A lot of road and a lot of snow on both sides. So look forward to that.
That is a porta potty that is almost completely under snow with a caved in roof. That's fun. Good morning. So, what happened yesterday? Well, we ended up doing a 42 mile road walk into the Jacob Lake Lodge that also has a restaurant in it. So we got in there pretty late, got in, slammed down some food. I totally forgot to record and say anything. And by the time we got out of there, it was already dark. We went across the street, we set up our tents, and this morning we walked down here back to the trail, back where we can get back on it without all the snow, to the Orderville trailhead. And ladies and gentlemen, this is day 37, and this is the final day of the Arizona Trail. So from here, I have exactly 27 miles to the Utah border, so we're gonna wrap it up today. I don't know if you can tell on my nose and on my face, but I totally got scorched yesterday by the sun because I'm an idiot. And I forgot to put on sunscreen, and that road walk was super exposed, especially with all the snow just like gleaming back sunlight. So I'm pretty torched. My heel is hurting me a little bit, my shin is hurting me a little bit, so not in 100% shape, but in 27 miles I will have finished a through hike of the AZT. So this is it. It's the last day. Pretty exciting. Last water source on the trail. Last water on the trail. 4 miles left. Ladies and gentlemen, that right there, that's Utah. Woohoo! After 37 days, 788 miles, and all kinds of different weather, Utah, end of the Arizona Trail. First time I came out here was in 2016 when I started a southbound through ride from this spot. This wasn't here, just a crappy wooden sign. Didn't complete that trail, had to get off because of an injury. Out here in 2017 to do a bunch of section hiking. 18, wasn't out here at all. But on the PCT, I came up with the idea of coming out here to finally through hike this, finally complete this circle of a hike that I've wanted to do for quite some time. Then I got the opportunity to take 13 days, drive around Arizona, interview the people who built this trail and put the blood, sweat, and tears into this trail. And then the opportunity to hike all 788 miles or 800, whoever you ask, to this spot to finally finish the trail. So it feels pretty amazing. Time to go home.